Bachok, Rongphar village and Ingti village are 7 decades old villages situated at Rongphar under Dhansiri constituency. The villages are a home of nearly 52 houses. Despite a 7 decades old villages, both were deprived from proper sustainable drinking water, proper roads. It was reported that Horensing Bey MP visited the site prior to the general election of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council on 21st of January 2022 to lay the foundation stone for the construction of roads and also made a promise to provide ring wells to the villages for sustainable drinking water while addressing his speech during a public meeting. Villagers bestowing their trust upon the words given by Horensing Bey MP unanimously decided to vote in favor of BJP, leading them to the victory. The villagers had done their part and now it's time for Horensing Bey to be a man of word and fulfill his task. He had promised to do so.
Kidun ali kahai no ajat kahai no school ka chit hondun anta kadikda ke lang leki sok pusitami ring ta isivet aring da kimi u kali aring da kahai no inke aring abang ke isivet long ke along adon tin pusitami ilong vet aring silang chu sok amang ke lang mata kai mata velo lang da ka chit hinang na
sir Horensing Bey Afan ke chuning ri bangke la son hello je aprang nang li lam chak rong ke wang hut nang li kachi chak te kang alam chak non prap jin pen amat nang patang nang pula bang suatu wara bang nilitum ke nang li phansi rat doan pen ke nang chong hong ding lo lasi nang li lam chak ateng le pudam pulong te nang li ke towar chot kali ring ta hum pho nang piji puta nang li lam chak du Anpar si tame open stage tame nangli tum kilun ke kanthek ser posil laswa Rongphar nili open stage tame nili kota pe nang piji puta nangli kese chakdu.
Bijoy Rong Peace report from Dilai for Karbi Anglong Live.